Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make avocado khushi, only way. Start by gathering 2 ripe avocados, fresh lemon, cilantro, salt, chili, and flatbreads for serving. Mash the avocado gently, then fold in finely chopped onions and tomatoes for texture. Adjust lemon and salt to taste, then chill briefly to let flavors meld. Serve on warm flatbread or toast, garnish with cilantro, and enjoy the creamy, tangy balance with every bite. Gathering ingredients sets you up for success, so pick 2 ripe avocados that give slightly when squeezed and 1 medium lemon for bright acidity. Finely dice half a small red onion and 1 tomato for texture, and chop a handful of cilantro for freshness. Keep salt, pepper, and chili flakes within reach to season as you go. Warm your flatbread or toast so each bite feels balanced and comforting when assembled. Start by mashing the avocados coarsely to keep a pleasant, chunky texture rather than a puree, which adds interest to each bite. Gently fold in the diced onion, tomato, and chopped cilantro, then squeeze in lemon juice to lift the flavors. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of chili flakes, tasting as you go so the mix is bright and balanced. Let it rest briefly so flavors marry before serving on warm bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.